In my first 3 months of trading, I lost 92% of all the money in my trading account. But 10 plus years later, I am now a professional full-time trader trading for individuals and companies worldwide. So how did I do it? So in this video, I'll share with you the 3 key reasons why traders fail and lose money, and the 3 simple steps that will transform you from a losing trader to a profitable trader. So what's the first and biggest reason why traders fail? To understand this well, let me explain it to you with a story about my favorite football club called Arsenal. So Arsenal is one of the most popular and most prestigious football clubs in England and in the world. And for many years in England, it was known as one of the clubs with the most beautiful passing football. Yet from 2004 onwards, despite our amazing style of play, we failed to win the Premier League trophy for over 20 plus years. So what was the problem? We were terrible in both defending and in scoring of goals. We were known for being able to bore you to death with amazing passing that rarely amounted to goals. And unfortunately, most new traders are like Arsenal. They quickly learn an entry strategy online, like on YouTube, and rush to the markets to be able to start trading. And this is because they believe that trading is all about finding the best trades to be able to place. But unfortunately, trading involves mastering so much more than just finding the best trades. So to avoid this trading mistake, you need to be able to learn a good entry and exit strategy, and then document that strategy inside a trading plan that you refer to every time before you place a trade in the market. I have done this for many years in my trading journey, and it has helped me to be able to ingrain my trading rules within myself so that now I can effortlessly be able to trade like a professional. To better understand the second reason why traders fail and lose their life savings, let me tell you a short story about how I learned how to drive a car. So the first car I was taught how to drive was a Subaru. And when I was being taught how to drive by my cousin, I used to hate putting on the seatbelt. It felt restrictive and made my driving feel uncomfortable. I wanted to drive fast without a seatbelt, put one hand on the steering with the other hand on the window so that I could actually be able to look cool. But several times, my mother used to tell me, put on that seatbelt for safety. And my cousin used to tell me, put both hands on the steering wheel and slow down. While it didn't feel cool to drive in those particular conditions, it kept me safe if an accident actually happened or if I lost control driving at high speed. And it is the same in trading. When we are new to trading, we want to make money fast. So we place trades with high risk by trading large lot sizes or large trade sizes. And once in a while, we make a big profit and feel good. But then eventually, a trade comes along that goes against us and we find ourselves losing all our profits and blowing up our accounts in just one trade. This is usually due to poor risk management. To avoid this mistake, you need to learn how to trade with conservative stop losses, to trade with risk that is less than 1% per trade, and to learn how to calculate the correct position size or trade size. I ignored this advice when I was starting my trading career. I used to risk about 10% per trade. And this is how I lost 92% of the money on my trading account within my first 3 months of trading. Remember, risk management is your seatbelt in trading. It will save your account from big and unnecessary losses. But before we look at the third reason that causes almost all new traders to lose money in trading, I would like to share with you a free video training that I created on the 7 steps to financial freedom through trading. It is an amazing training that will give you a step-by-step plan on how you can start trading for a living. And as a bonus, I'll give you access to my Trading 101 course, all for free. So if this sounds interesting to you, sign up today using the sign up link on the pinned comment of this particular video or in the video description. Now, to understand this next big reason that causes almost all new traders to lose money, let me share with you a story about one of the greatest boxers of all time. That is Mike Tyson. In 1987, during the lead up towards the fight between Mike Tyson and Tyrell Biggs, Tyson was asked by a reporter if he was worried about his opponent's fight plan. Tyson's response became legendary. This is what he said: "Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face." But how does this relate to trading? You can have the best trading plan that outlines how you enter and exit trades and how you manage the risk in your trades. But all this is theory. For most new traders, the moment they start trading real money in the markets, their emotions of fear and greed take over. They fear placing trades because they are afraid of losing money, or they become too greedy due to overconfidence and start trading with high risk because they want to make the big money. Your emotions are your number one enemy in trading. If you don't learn how to control your emotions, you run the risk of getting into a vicious cycle of depositing money into your account, losing it, and then depositing more money and losing it again. To overcome the negative impact of your emotions, you need to be able to understand that trading is about probability. This means that there are no guarantees that you will make money in any one trade. So you should never over-risk in any one trade out of greed just because you feel that this trade is a sure bet, it will make me money. So always keep your risk low at less than 1% per trade so that any loss will not make you highly stressed. Also, to become a profitable trader, you need to be able to execute your trading strategy over a large number of trades. That is 30 plus trades and above. So you should never feel bad if a trade that you placed following your trading plan actually loses. Always remember that if you keep executing your trading plan, then over time, your winning trades will pay for all your losing trades and leave you with a profit. Remember, risk management is the key to becoming a profitable trader. And to learn a practical approach that I personally use to manage risk in my trading and to avoid blowing up my trading account, then click on the video on your screen where I share it more in great detail.